Hey, what's up, guys? This is Robert. Yeah, I was just back again trying to give you guys a tip on a diagnostic that I made myself. It was driving me crazy. I broke down the other day. I couldn't get my car to start without jumping it. So I'm gonna kind of explain what happened, and then hopefully this helps you in the future because I didn't find no video that actually had the same symptom as mine in regards to problem solving. So here we go. It's a 2016 Nissan Sentra. So what happened is I got in my car and I had my key on my pocket like always. And I went to go ahead and press to start. Everything turned on. I pressed the start button, pressed the brake, and then pressed the start button, and then everything just it'll die. And then it started saying remote not detected or key not detected. So I waited a couple seconds, did it again. Everything would turn back on. Press it and dead. And so I'm thinking, okay, maybe it's the battery on my remote. So I didn't have my spare battery on me because I was out on the street when I broke down. But I went to go buy a battery, I put it on, and the same thing, nothing would start. So I go ahead and take out the battery on the car. And when I took out the battery, I went to go have it checked. And when I came back, they said, hey, your battery's good. So when they told me the battery was good, I'm like, what the fuck? So I came back. Well, I told them to charge it. They charged the battery for me, which came out perfect condition. Nothing, no issues, no problems, because it was still under warranty. I put it on. Came in here. Everything turned on like normal. Pressed the brake. Pressed it again. Everything would just turn off, and then it would turn back on. But the car wouldn't turn on. So I'm going like, what the fuck? It's not the keys, not the battery. What could it be? So I went back home. Thought about it, trying to think how am I gonna get this car going. I jump started it. It will turn on when you jump start it, which was weird. I bought some jumper cables. I jump started the car and it turned on. So I was like, why? If it's not the battery, why is it turning on when this jump started? So this is what I ended up finding afterwards when I got home after jump starting it. So when I got home, I already had taken out the battery. So I did notice a little bit of corrosion. As you can see, nothing alarming, right? It's still there. I haven't really cleaned it. So I was thinking, well, the battery's good. It starts when you jump start it. I tightened the bolts and nothing, it was still dead. So I took out the positive out and I cleaned it a little bit with sandpaper. Where did that sandpaper go? Well, I cleaned it with sandpaper, just on the inside. I didn't really clean the outside. Put it back on, and voila, the damn car started. So if you're having that issue where it says key not detected and it's turning off when you're trying to turn it on, check your positive battery post. I mean, I'm gonna tell you, it was just, I mean, it was nothing alarming. And I just scrubbed it just a little bit on the inside, and that's what it made it pretty much turn on my car. So if you ever have that issue, check your positive battery post, clean it out from the inside, take everything off, clean it out, put it back on, and hopefully that helps you. Because the other videos pretty much talk about the key, talk about programming, and mine ended up being just this positive battery that had a little bit of corrosion inside that was not making it contact right. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, clean it really good, put it back on, and problem solved. So hopefully this helps you guys. So make sure you always check this. Even though it doesn't look that alarming, like I said, it was just a little bit of corrosion on the inside, but that damn little thing made my nightmare the whole day. Okay, all right guys.